If you're looking to reduce inflammation and boost joint health, you won't want to miss this. From delicious superfoods to handy tips, let's get started on the path to pain-free living. Number 10. Ginger. Ginger, a versatile and aromatic spice, offers natural anti-inflammatory properties that can be particularly beneficial for individuals with arthritis. This root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to alleviate various ailments, including joint pain and inflammation. The active compounds in ginger, such as gingerol, are believed to help reduce the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body. Ginger can be added to dishes, teas, and smoothies, making it an easily accessible and flavorful way to incorporate its potential health benefits into your daily routine. Number 9. Turmeric. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly used in Asian cuisine, contains an active compound called curcumin that has garnered attention for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research suggests that curcumin may play a role in reducing inflammation and alleviating the symptoms of arthritis, making it a popular natural remedy for joint pain and stiffness. Turmeric can be easily incorporated into cooking, lending its distinct flavor to curries, stews, and soups, or consumed as a supplement for those looking to harness its potential health benefits. Do you know that you can drink turmeric water and enjoy its incredible benefits? If you want to know more about turmeric water, check out this video. Number 8. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are vibrant and delicious fruits that offer numerous benefits for individuals managing arthritis. Packed with antioxidants, including anthocyanins and vitamin C, berries have potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint inflammation and oxidative stress. Regular consumption of these colorful fruits may assist in managing arthritis symptoms and protecting overall joint health. Whether enjoyed on their own, mixed into yogurt or oatmeal, or blended into smoothies, berries provide a flavorful and nutritious way to incorporate arthritis-fighting antioxidants into your diet, all while satisfying your sweet tooth. Number 7. Olive oil. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet and offers valuable benefits for individuals dealing with arthritis. Rich in monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants like oleocanthal, olive oil has been linked to reduced inflammation and improved joint health. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate the pain and stiffness associated with arthritis. Certainly, you've heard about the benefits of olive oil, but do you know what happens to your body if you drink it before bed? Check out this video for more information. Number 6. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes, encompassing a wide range of options like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, are valuable additions to an arthritis-friendly diet. These plant-based protein sources are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals while being low in fat. The fiber content aids in weight management, which is crucial for reducing the strain on joints, particularly in cases of arthritis. Additionally, the combination of protein and complex carbohydrates found in beans and legumes can help provide sustained energy levels and support overall well-being. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic, with its distinctive flavor and numerous health benefits, is a versatile ingredient that can be a valuable addition to the diet of individuals managing arthritis. Beyond its culinary uses, garlic is renowned for its natural anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation and potentially alleviate joint discomfort. Additionally, garlic has immune-boosting properties, which can be beneficial for overall health, as well as potential cardiovascular benefits. Number 4. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, including oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, are not only refreshing and flavorful, but also provide essential nutrients that can benefit individuals managing arthritis. These fruits are particularly rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and protect against joint damage. Vitamin C also plays a vital role in collagen formation, essential for maintaining the health of joints and connective tissues. Number 3. Whole grains. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats, offer valuable benefits for individuals dealing with arthritis. These grains are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, promoting overall health and potentially aiding in arthritis management. Fiber helps with weight control by promoting a feeling of fullness, which can reduce the strain on weight-bearing joints. Furthermore, whole grains contain essential nutrients like magnesium and selenium, which may help reduce inflammation. Number 2. Broccoli. Broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable, is a nutritional powerhouse and a smart choice for those dealing with arthritis. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and compounds like sulforaphane, known for its potential anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming broccoli regularly can help reduce inflammation in the joints and support overall joint health, whether steamed, roasted, or added to stir-fries and salads. Broccoli offers a versatile and tasty way to incorporate essential nutrients into your diet while working towards arthritis management. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is a renowned beverage celebrated for its potential health benefits, particularly for individuals managing arthritis. This tea is rich in polyphenols, including epigallocatane gallate, EGC, G, known for their potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, potentially alleviating joint discomfort associated with arthritis. Green tea consumption has also been associated with a reduced risk of developing certain types of arthritis. We hope you found our exploration of arthritis-busting foods both informative and inspiring. Remember, making small dietary changes can lead to significant improvements in your joint health and overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future content. And of course, share your thoughts and your favorite arthritis-friendly recipes in the comments below. Together, we can support each other on our journey to a healthier, pain-free life. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay well and stay vibrant.